Hello, everyone. Welcome to Gary Mac Studio. Today, I want to. Did you ever get skin cancers and go to the doctor, or and have them burn them off and remove them, cut them off? I have these skin cancers that come up on my arms all the time, and every few months I'll have to go in and see about getting them done. So I was working at a Valero up at Dumas, Texas. And I told the guy, I said, I got to go to the doctor and let him look at this. And he said, before you go, he said, try this. So he said, take some vinegar and lay it on there for 2 or 3 days and see what happens. And I thought, man, this guy's crazy. I thought, well, anyway, it's worth a try because it's expensive to go to those dermatologists and let them take those cancers, cut them off. And they only come back after a while when they cut them off. He says, try this. He says, it worked for me, and it took them off, and they didn't come back. I thought, man, this guy, I don't know. So he showed me what to do, and I did. And let me get this. So I take these big bandages like this. They're big. Put a paper towel on there, and I'll position the paper towel where I can leave a place at the top where I can put a syringe, and then I'll paste it on, and because those cancers will come up just a little itchy spot, and that's the way this one right here was. And I just took the bandage off yesterday off of these, and it was just a little itchy spot, kept itching, just a little spot. So when I put that on there, and this is the way that it's done on all the rest of these. I've taken off dozens of these cancers, but here was the end result. If you can see that, it took it took 3 days, 4 days to leave that on there, and I put the I put a paper towel on. Uh, I fold the paper towel up about 4 times to make it pretty thick, and lay on this. Put it on there and leave a hole in the top, and I'd take a syringe and I'd take the vinegar, the 5% acidity, and pump it in there and fill that up and let it sit. I do that about every 4 or 5 hours through the day, and then I do it at night before I went to bed. And the first day you don't feel anything, or I didn't. The second day it began to burn, and the third day it began to not excruciating burn or pain, but the third day it would you'd know it was there. It burned pretty good, and it's touchy to touch today, uh, if you can see that. And then I've taken them all off. I've taken them off. You can see scars all over my arms because I used to go fishing a lot and I'd get sunburn, and there's scars here, and I don't know if you can see these scars on my neck right here. I took off a bunch of them on my neck. These on my neck were pretty bad. It left a 1/4 inch hole in some of those places up there. But these have been it's been about 10 or 12 years ago since I did these, and they have not come back. They won't come back. You get them cut off, and 9 times out of 10 in a few years they'll come right back. Well, they did on me. And here's my disclaimer. I'm telling you what works for me. I'm not telling you to try it. I'm not telling you to do anything. Go to a doctor if you had to go to a doctor, and let them take care of it. But I'm just telling you what works for me. And if you want to try it at your own risk. And so, anyway, guys, I'm glad you visited Gary Mac Studio, and let me know if you did try it, and let me know if it worked for you. Like I say, it takes 3 or 4 days, maybe 5 days. Some of these, I had one on this arm right here that was huge, and it left a solid, ugly scab on this about that was about that big, and but it's gone. It's gone and hadn't come back. And then I took some more off up here, and then if you can see these scars here, I took them off here, and I took them off up here on my forehead. The same method. It worked. It works for me. And like I say, if you want to try it, try it. If you don't. But I'm not a doctor, and I'm not advising you to do it. I'm just telling you what worked for me. So hey guys, you please subscribe to Gary Mac Studio and shoot me a reply, and hit a thumbs up, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye bye.